Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to record your calls on iOS 18. So right here we are in iOS 18 and I'm going to show you how to record your call. So here I have my number and I'm going to call myself basically, and then we're going to record the call. So here, let's just call myself and then I'm going to answer on the other phone. So I'm going to mute myself here so that you won't hear me at all. So basically once I pick up right here, I'm going to pick up already, and then here, as you can see, there's going to be in the top left corner a record button that you can press. All you have to do is press that already, and then the other user will be notified that you're going to record them. And if they literally don't have an option if you don't want them to be recorded, but basically they can end the call if they don't want to be recorded. So that's the only con that I have seen. So as you can see, it's going to take notes on the call on the Notes app, and then it's just going to record and on and on and on. And then from there, as you can see, it's just going to record as we speak. And then once I've ended the call, we can go to our notes and see where the recording is, and we can play that back if we want to. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.